Hi, Sisbang. Happy birthday! Wishing you a day filled with love, joy, and blessings. On this special day, I pray that God continues to bless you with love, health, and happiness. In Numbers 6:24-26, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sister Bang! Happy and blessed 50th birthday! Sabi sa kanyang salita sa Numbers chapter 6, verses 24-26, The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. I pray that the Lord will use you as a channel of blessing, and the Lord will continue to use you mightily in His kingdom. Stay healthy and stay beautiful. Again, happy and blessed 50th birthday, Sister Bang. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Bags. I wish you more birthdays to come, good health, and I pray that God will continue to guide you, give you wisdom and knowledge, and may God give you long life and a good health. We love you, Ate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Bang. Wish ko lang ngayong birthday mo. Sana lahat ng desire ng puso mo ay makuha mo in God's perfect timing. Sana even malayo ka sa piling nila Mamang, ni Papang, ni Daniel. Sana happy ka sa piling ng mga kaibigan mo dyan sa Qatar. Sana lagi kang mag-iingat at syempre lagi ingatan ng health. Sana lagi kang happy. We love you.
Hi, Sis Bang. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil sa maikling panahon ng pag-stay ko sa Qatar. Nakilala kita, nagkaroon ako ng isang kaibigan na panghabuhay, kapatid sa Panginoon at spiritual leader. Salamat din sa paggabay sa aking spiritual journey. Praise God to your life, Sis Bang. Dalangin ko sa Diyos ang iyong kalakasan para sa iyong mga mahal sa buhay at sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon at pagmamahal mula sa aming lahat na nabigyan ng opportunity to meet you. Happy birthday, Sis Bang! Love you!
Action! Hello ate! Kumusta ka na dyan? Super miss na kita, lalo na yung gala at content natin sa Doha. Gusto ko lang batiin ka ng happy birthday. Iingat ka dyan palagi at huwag mong papabayaan ang sarili mo at health mo. Bye! Love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Bang. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama! Ingat ka dyan!
Happy birthday, Ninang Bang.
Happy birthday, Sister Bang. I'm so grateful with your gentle heart, your faithfulness, and the way you always treat others with your kindness. May God continue to grow the beautiful life He placed in you. Praying your year will be filled with joy, favor, and sweet moments of God's presence. You are truly a blessing to all of us. Again, happy birthday and God bless you.
Okay! Happy birthday! Wish you
Happy birthday!
happiness and long life. Always take care. We love you. Sala.
Go.
Bakit nalapit mo? Okay na ba?
Oh.
Hello, Alba!
Hello, Ma.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday from me, Mama and Papa.
Happy birthday! Always take care and we love you.
We love you too, Ma. Just don't overwork, alright? Anyways,
We wish you long life, and happiness.
And we wish you a long life, with a life filled with joy, with God.
God bless.
God bless, Ma.
Bye. Bye.
Until you come home again, Ma. Bye.
Okay, see you.